Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to add some of the more functionalities in this proctl project. So what is the first functionality that I'm going to add? So basically, as you can see that I'm currently present in the signup.go file, and inside this file there is one thing common in three of files. If you take a look at this, as you can see that this is the commands that I have written in this signup.go file, and if you take a look at the login.go file, these are also the commands that I have written here also. And if you take a look at the verify.go file, these are also the commands that are present here. So it means that one command or one set of command is repeated multiple times in multiple files. All right, so what I need to do, I need to just copy this and delete this, and after that I will make a separate function for this. And once I make a function, after that I will call this function inside these files. All right, so first of all, what I need to do is to make a function by the name of get details. All right, and inside this what I will write, I don't need to write, but I will return three variables. As you can see that these are the three variables: email, account password, and encoding text. So these are the three variables that I want. So I will call these three variables here and I will return it. So instead of writing multiple string like three strings, I will write three array of string. All right, so this is how it will work. And after that, paste the data, and once it is pasted, what I need to do is to make a variable by the name of, let's say, account details. All right, account details, and that variable will be equal to the string, three array string. All right, so after that, let's write this account email and change it to account details. Similarly, like this one, account details, and encoded text should also be account details. All right, but here is a catch, and that is basically I need to write 0, I need to write 1, and here I need to write 2. All right, so after that, let's remove this one also, this sign also, and this one. And once it is written, I will write account email to account details, and that would be 0, and account password to account details also, and that would be 1. All right, so the account details is equal to account 0. Account details 0 is equal to email. Account details 1 is equal to password, and account details 2 is equal to this encoded text. All right, so after that, what I need to do is to call this, return this. Sorry, I will write a return, and after that account details. So now this is done. After that, what I need to do is to write like account details, and that would be another variable. You just need to keep in mind that this account detail is different from this account detail. Why? Because the account details is only limited to this functionality, but this variable is only limited to this functionality. All right, so I have just given the name same, but they are performing the different functionalities. So what I will write, get details, and inside this get details is the function that is equal to the account details variable, and this account details contain three strings. As you can see, three strings. So what I will write, I will write account details 0 for the email, account details 1 for the password, and encoded text will be account details 2 for the encoded text. All right, so I hope you understood. So basically now this is, I don't need to write this multiple times. Instead, what I will do, I will just write this account details, and after that I will use this functionality. All right, so let's write the same in the login.go file, clear this and write it here. And here you can see that there is only just encoded text required, so I will just write account details 2. All right, so there is no need to write email and password here in this file. All right, after that, let's delete this one also and paste the code here. All right, so the function, inside of writing encoded text, I will write account details, account details 2, account details 2, account details 2, and these are the account details 0, 0, 1, and 2. All right, so these are all the things that are written here. So after that, let me just sign up for you so that whether it is working properly or not. So now I have saved it. Let's write proctl sign up, and E for emails Vince tree, and after that let's write Gmail, and password 1122, and after that full name is the Vince tree. All right, and after that account is the Vince. All right, So these are the three things. Let's check the email that whether it is correct or not. All right, so it is correct. So let's press enter on this. You have successfully created an account. Now if I type verify, you will see that it is taking time to send the email into this email address. All right, so let's wait for it. All right, so now it is received. What I need to do is to copy this simply, and these are the emails that are previously generated, so paste it here. Now you are successfully verified. So if I type proctl verify again, you will see that your account is already verified. But let's say if I type logout and after that login again, proctl login and e for the Venus tree email and @gmail.com password 1122. All right, press again proctl verify. Now you can see that your account is already verified. So this is working properly without giving me any error. So after that, what I need to do, I need to work on another functionality that is basically called the profile. So I need to let's say add other details into the profile, like the phone number or the title. These are the things that I want to add, like title, phone, locations, working status. So these are the things that I also want to add. So how can I do this? So first of all, what I will do, I will create another directory in the CM directory. So what I will write, and the profile, this is the directory by the name of profile, and inside this directory I will create a file, let's say profile info. All right, profile info.go. all right, or add profile. All right, add profile, let's say, rename it. Instead of renaming it or creating it, I will create it by another way. So let's delete this, but you need to keep this in mind that the profile is added here. But there is one thing that I want you to show, but basically let me just add a file for you. First of all, cobra add profile, let's see, add profile. All right, so add profile, let's press enter on this. Now you can see, let's clear this. Now you can see that add profile .go file is created. Let's move it like here, and if I moved it, if you take a look at this, let's save it. But here you can see that the root CMD is not declared here. All right, so if you take a look, as you can see, undeclared name root CMD. Why? Because this root file that is present here, as you can see, this root file is present in the user directory, but this add profile.go file is present in the profile directory. So that's the reason that it is not declaring this root CMD, or the root CMD is not accessed in this add profile.go file. So how can I access this? So if I move this root.go file outside the user directory, it will remove this error. So how can I do this? So first of all, let's go to the files here, and inside this file go source github bilal and then proctl, and inside this, as you can see, cmd. So here is the user, and inside this user, this is the root.go file. So what I will do, I will remove cut it and paste it outside from here. All right, so let's remove this, close this, sorry. And after that, as you can see, that root.go file is present outside this user directory. So what I need to do is to go to this root.go file, and this file is deleted from here, and I need to change the name of the root from small letter to the capital letter, because you know that in the Go language a variable cannot be accessed outside a file if it is not in the capital letter. All right, so if it is in small letter, if the variable name is starting from the small letter, then it will not be accessed outside the file. So what I need to do is to change this root from small letter to the capital letter. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. So let's write R capital, and this is also the R capital and R capital, and after that this is not giving me error. After that, what I need to do, as you can see, that all the things are modified here. So it is giving me, all the files are giving me error. So what I need to do is to change the root like this. As you can see that this is the root, so I will write capital R, but before writing capital R, I will write CMD. All right, so inside this CMD, as you can see, inside this CMD, the root.go file is present. All right, and if you press save, it will import the library here. All right, as you can see, GitHub iBilalk proctl cmd. So inside this cmd, the root.go file is present, and these files are imported. These files are present inside this user and the profile directory. So this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. So let's save this and go to this add profile, and similarly I will write capital R, and before this I will write cmd. Press save. Now this is not giving me an error, so it is newly created. Alright, so let's save this also, but I need to make changes in it, these files also. So let's make some changes here. Capital R, cmd. Alright, so let's save this. Let's first of all copy this and paste it here also. Alright, and now let's write this what you can say, cmd. So I don't need to write a user, because inside this cmd the root is present, and that's why the main is calling only the root, and when the root will be called, all the files will be executed properly. Alright, so because I have to give this path here in each of the files. So let's write like this, log out. This is also the file. Alright, so now these are the things that are done, and what I need to do is once this is done, what I will write, I will remove these texts that are not required for this video. So what I will do, I will remove this and remove this text also that are in the comments. And once these are done, what I will write, I will remove the long description also, and give the short description like what you can say, add the profile information. Add the profile information of a user. Of a user. Alright. So this is the profile information. After that, what I need to do is to write, let's move to the signup.go file, and these are the what you can say, these are the flags that I need to write it. Alright, inside here. So currently I just need four flags, so I will modify them. So what I need to do, the first one is the title. As you can see, title, phones, location, working status. Title, phone, location, and working status. Alright, so after that, let's remove the flag T. This is the P for the phone. Alright, and this is the location L, and this is the working status W. Alright, once it is done, I need to remove this also. Instead of writing signup.cmd, I will write what you can say, add profile cmd. Alright, so let's copy this and paste it here. Now they are done. After that, let's specify the description of each of the flags. So what I will do, I will write specify an account title, and after that specify an account phone number, and specify an account what you can say, location. Specify an account location, and specify an account working status. Alright, so these are the four things that I have added here. After that, what I need to do is to go to the signup.go file, and inside this, as you can see, that these are the get string method through which you can call the flags. So let's add it there also. So I will need to make some modifications in it, and after that they will be done. So profile title, all right, and after that profile, what you can say, profile phone, and profile location, and after that what you can say, profile status, profile working status. Alright, so after that, profile title, profile phone, profile location, profile working status. Now they are done. What I need to do is to change it like here, title, and give the phone, and after that let's write the location, location also, and the working status. Alright, so let's print each of them so that I can show you. Profile title, profile phone, and after that print FMT print line, and profile location, FMT print line, and profile working status. Alright, so they are done. After that, let's save them and let's install them also. Alright, so once it is done, if I type let's open this, scroll up, and cobra, proctl help. Now you can see that whether it is giving me an proctl help project management software, but it is not giving me the, what you can say, profile, add profile, whether it let's update this from add profile, like add. Alright, go install. First of all, go install. Once it is done, I will write pro install and help. Alright, so let's write add, and inside this add, what I will do, I will write T for the title, title 1, and after that let's write phone, P for the phone number, let's write, give it in any phone number. Alright, and account name, let's say, location, L, so it will be basically location Pakistan, let's say, and after that working status, so it will be home. Alright, press enter on this. So it is giving me an error that so this is the main.go file in which I have to make some changes in it. So basically as you can see that this is a CMD, and this is inside the CMD the root.go file is called, but I need to call the user directory and the profile directory also. So what I need to do is to remove this. First of all, let's copy this, because after copying it I will paste it multiple times. So inside it I will write like this, import, and once it is written I will write the first, and after that let's write like this, and then give the /user, and after that let's write again this sign and write cmd/profile. Alright, so now it will work. So let's scroll up, go build, and once it is done, after I will write go install, and once that after that I will write proctl help. As you can see that all the flags are now shown to me. Alright, and this is the flag that is basically showing me that add the profile information of a user. So let's first of all close this and proctl and add. Let's run the command like that I have previously run. So let's press enter on this. Now you can see this is the title 1, this is the number, this is the Pakistan country, this is location, and this is the home working status. Alright, so I will make some changes in it also, and I will add what I can say that basically I will add these things into the database, and once they are added I will link them to the profile, that whether this user is logged in and whether these information are of a specific user or not. So these are all the things that I will be working on in the upcoming video. So I hope you like this video and understand it. So these are the things that I have taught you in this video. So once these changes are added, what I will do, I will write git status, and inside this you can see that these are the file and the modifications that I have done. So I will write, clear this, git add, and git commit. Alright, git commit m, and what I will write like added the profile info. Alright, Press enter on this. Now you can see that all the changes are added. After that, let's write git push origin master. Press enter on this. Now it will take some time. So now they are added. If I refresh this page, and after that go to the repositories, proctl, now you can see it is updated now, and this is the 14 commits. Previously it was only for 14, but now it is 15, sorry. And cmd, now you can see that this is the profile, this is the user, this is the views, root.go file is present here. All right, so let's go to the profile at profile.go. All right, so these are the information that are added here. So that's it for now. So I hope you liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.